Did you know that this small, ancient fruit has been a symbol of wellness for thousands of years? Today, we're uncovering the amazing health benefits of figs, nutrient powerhouses that can transform your health in surprising ways. Stay tuned to find out why figs are a must have for wellness. So, what makes figs so powerful? Here's why they've been treasured for ages. 1. Boosts digestive health. Figs are loaded with fiber, which supports smooth digestion and keeps your gut healthy. Just a few figs a day can naturally aid with digestion and prevent constipation. 2. Rich in antioxidants. Fresh and dried figs are packed with antioxidants, especially polyphenols, which fight free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and keeping you younger from the inside out. 3. Supports heart health. Figs can help manage blood pressure and reduce cholesterol, thanks to their potassium and soluble fiber content. They're a heart-healthy snack that's low in sodium and packed with essential nutrients. 4. Enhances bone strength. Packed with calcium and magnesium, figs are an excellent fruit for bone health, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and keeping bones strong and resilient. 5. Regulates blood sugar. Did you know that figs can actually help stabilize blood sugar levels? With their low glycemic index and high fiber content, they're a smart choice for people managing blood sugar. Want to add figs to your diet? Here are some easy ways to get these powerful benefits every day. Morning smoothie. Add a few figs to your smoothie for a naturally sweet boost that's rich in fiber and nutrients. Snack time power. Enjoy dried figs as a mid-morning snack. They're filling and can curb cravings. Baking or cooking. Try adding figs to baking recipes, salads, or even as a topping on your morning oatmeal. Interesting fact. Did you know that figs were Cleopatra's favorite fruit? Not only did she love the taste, but figs were also prized for their rejuvenating effects and benefits to the skin. Don't miss out on this age-old superfood.